And now, in a significant move to boost Nigeria's democratic framework, the American Business Council Nigeria and the Center for International Private Enterprise have announced the launch of the Private Sector Development for Democracy Forum. According to the group, in a media pal in Lagos, the forum provides a platform for open dialogue and collaboration amongst key stakeholders to address critical challenges and strengthen Nigeria's democratic fabric. Details in this report.
There's no denying that the quality of governance is the bedrock of any nation's growth. That's why the Private Sector Development for Democracy Forum's initiative is aimed at forging a united front between private sector players, civil society champions, policymakers, and the media, all committed to nurturing a stronger democracy in Nigeria and contribute to a sustainable and thriving business environment in the country.
And the initiative is a collaborative project that's bringing together different stakeholders from the academia, from private sector, from the think tanks, and really everyone that's speaking to how we need to move towards a realistic democratic process through those levels of engagements that would proactively get us to those levels and those levels of conversation.
Usually, this is done in silos. Private sector is advocating on its own, civil society is advocating on its own. But now you're going to see us coming together because good governance affects all of our interests.
The PSDF isn't merely a forum. It's a vibrant collaboration brimming with diverse voices from across the Nigerian state to bolster democratic institutions and, in turn, unlock its full potential. In addition to its advocacy effort, the PSDF plans to engage in research, policy analysis, and public awareness campaigns to advance its objectives.
It's a unique opportunity for us to develop an action-oriented resource that will be called the National Agenda for Democracy Strengthening. It will build on all the excellent work that has been done in the country around, consolidating Nigeria's democracy, and it will also be a building block for many organizations that have been doing work around strengthening governance institutions in Nigeria.
We expect to see some really well-targeted conversations happening with the media. We expect to see technical sessions that are going to be happening, master classes that are going to be happening across from this steering committee level to the membership level, rolling in eventually to a major event that would this would dovetail into a report, and then obviously a launch of the report and the sharing of the reports with the government.
The group emphasized that all stakeholders across various sectors need to work together to create a more stable and prosperous future for all Nigerians.
Because every 4 years there's a pivotal opportunity for the leader at the federal or at the state level or even local government level to make certain reforms or changes that can have a multiplier effect in our nation.
This collaboration perhaps demonstrates the private sector's growing commitment to playing a constructive role in strengthening Nigeria's democracy.